end of the 2 weeks, he said, we're a little disappointed that, it has not improved very much. And I smiled. I said, it takes 2 months to get the residue of those allergens out of the body. So you've got to give it 2 months, even though you haven't had any. And how many people stop them and after a month they say, well, it's not doing anything. They haven't given it enough time. Where's it? Hello everyone and welcome. I am Barbara O'Neill. Today I want to talk about something that affects so many people, yet often goes unnoticed. Parasites. Did you know there's a natural way to target these pesky intruders and restore balance to your body in just a matter of days? Yes, you heard that right. It's not a chemical or a synthetic drug. It's something that grows in nature. Now, before I reveal the name of this incredible fruit, let's first understand why parasites are such a big problem and how they could be affecting your health. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn might just change your life. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are parasites? These organisms live in your body, consuming your nutrients and often leaving you feeling drained, bloated, or ill. They are like uninvited guests at a dinner party who are stealing the food. Common signs of parasitic infections include tiredness, digestive issues like constipation or diarrhea, skin problems, and sweet cravings. Surprising, right? Parasites thrive on the sugary and processed foods we consume. Even more concerning is that parasites don't only impact your gut, they can weaken your immune system, making you more vulnerable to infections and chronic diseases. Unfortunately, many people have them without knowing. But don't worry, nature has equipped us with effective tools to combat these pests. Soon I will reveal one of the best kept secrets to doing just that. Let's talk about diet and its role in either feeding or fighting parasites. If your meals are filled with sugary drinks, white bread and processed snacks, guess what? You're throwing a feast for those parasites. On the other hand, whole foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, seeds and herbs act as natural parasite killers. These foods help create an environment in your gut that parasites simply can't survive in. When your gut is healthy, it is full of good bacteria that protect you. But when parasites invade, they throw that balance off, making it harder for your body to fight back. This is why I always say that what you eat matters. And the good news? Nature has given us specific foods that not only nourish us, but actively work to eliminate parasites. One of these foods is a fruit that has been used for centuries in natural healing practices. I'll tell you more about it shortly. Enzyme. A proteolytic enzyme is an enzyme that breaks down protein. So let's have a look at proteolytic enzymes. Pepsin is a proteolytic enzyme. It breaks down protein. Trypsin is a proteolytic enzyme. It breaks down protein. Chymotrypsin is a proteolytic. Let me introduce you to one of nature's most powerful gifts, the papaya. This exceptional fruit is nothing more than a remedy for worms in one's body. Do you know that under the skin of papaya are seeds that harvest such vital protection for you? Quite a lot for this little fruit, if you ask me. It is for every part of the famed extract of this highly exceptional fruit, the papaya. I spoke to someone some time back who had suffered from major digestive problems over some years. A couple of weeks into ingesting papaya and using papaya seeds gave them the biggest relief of their lifetime. Simple is the word when it comes to humble little treatments, huh? Traditionally, this fruit has been used as a cleansing agent in many body tissues. While detox is specific to the gut, papaya makes sure that its vital nutrients, accompanied by a high dosage of vitamin C and antioxidants, rejuvenate the immune system. The best thing about including it: eat it fresh, mix it in smoothies, or even use the seeds as a spice, and papaya plays the make-ahead game. So it will have to be done in the culture and practice of science, papain-enriched papaya fruit that works on the parasite. Papain, an essential enzyme in the papaya, proves a worthy fighter of parasites. papain does not just break down food in your stomach, but churns out the life support from parasites. It gets around this by splitting the protein parasites depend on, depriving them of sustenance. How does it help other than providing fiber? The gut-sweeping papaya alkaloid fiber is a great natural remedy against parasites and their products. Just imagine, for your all-important digestive system, observing atoms of clean excretion. But that's not just all, because a phoenix can arise from the ashes, the seeds themselves. Colocynth contains an alkaloid known as carpane, which is highly toxic to an array of parasites. Beyond its antiparasitic properties, papaya offers a host of other benefits. It strengthens digestion, preventing bloating and constipation. It boosts immunity with its high vitamin C and antioxidant levels. And yes, it even promotes glowing skin thanks to its rich vitamin A content. By consuming papaya regularly, you are not just removing parasites. You are creating a gut environment where they can't survive in the first place. While papaya is a powerhouse, you can supercharge its effects by pairing it with other natural remedies. Here are some of my top recommendations for antiparasitic foods. First, pumpkin seeds. These seeds contain cucurbitacin, a compound that paralyzes parasites, making them easier to expel. Then, garlic. This well-known natural antibiotic is rich in sulfur compounds that destroy harmful microbes, including parasites. Now we're going to have a look at ginger. Ginger can be used internally and ginger can be used externally. Next, ginger, this spice, improves digestion and creates an unfriendly environment for parasites. Don't forget, pineapple, like papaya, contains an enzyme, bromelain, which helps break down parasites and improve gut health. Herbs, but the herbs I'm going to talk about are things that you probably have always seen as just weeds in the garden. And an important part of knowing about your weeds in the garden or your herbs is being able to identify them, but not only that, to know what you do with them. Finally, herbs like wormwood and black walnut have been used for centuries to combat parasites and are highly effective when used in teas or tinctures. By combining these foods with papaya, you create a multifaceted defense system against parasites. For instance, start your day with a papaya smoothie that includes a handful of pumpkin seeds and a dash of ginger for a triple punch. Remember, these remedies aren't just about eliminating parasites. They also promote overall health, from better digestion to stronger immunity. How can one begin incorporating papaya into his daily life? It's not as difficult as it may sound. Simply eat it as a snack or a dessert. Just slice it raw and eat it cool, or dress it with some squeezed lime. For a healthy diet, it should be taken on an empty stomach, since it will make digestion and cleansing more effective. Papaya seeds also contain super capabilities, so please don't toss them away. They can be eaten raw, ground into a powder, or added to detox diet drinks. By putting in just a teaspoon per day, you can do a number against parasites for a healthy gut. A blended mixture of fresh papaya, ginger, spinach, and some lemon waters down a heavy and effective gut cleansing smoothie. It is a yummy way of incorporating different anti-parasitic foods all at the same time and putting your digestive system in shape. Papaya can be used in recipes depending on the creativity and variety level. A creative trial would be to make papaya salsa simply made, with some lime, chili, and cilantro, or simply add this in a fruit bowl for an instant healthy meal. Consistency matters. Try to have papayas at least 3 to 4 times per week for general health and to stop parasites from coming in. If you are fighting an infection, have it each day, maybe for a week, to reset it and create a healthy gut. Before spooning in another bite of papaya every odd day, pay heed to some important precautions. While papaya may not harm quite a few people, it may provoke some side effects in a few, like bubbles or sporadic indigestion, or some might be vulnerable to allergic reactions. Those with a latex allergy might potentially be sensitive also due to cross-reactivity to papaya. For pregnant women, it's important to avoid unripe or semi-ripe papaya as it contains latex, which may cause uterine contractions. Similarly, individuals with underlying health conditions, such as diabetes or kidney issues, should consult a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Moderation is key. Eating too much papaya or its seeds can cause digestive upset or interfere with nutrient absorption. Try always listening to your body and seeking professional advice when trying new remedies. It's crucial to remember that no single fruit, no matter how powerful, is a magic bullet. Long-term gut health requires consistent lifestyle changes. To keep your gut parasite-free and functioning optimally, here's what I recommend. First, adopt a balanced, anti-inflammatory diet by incorporating whole foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugar, as they create an environment where parasites thrive. Next, stay active. Regular exercise improves circulation, boosts your immune system, and keeps your gut functioning smoothly. The only water that goes into the body is the water that we drink. Hydrate adequately. Water is essential for flushing out toxins and maintaining gut health. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses a day to stay properly hydrated. Consider periodic detoxification, such as guided detox programs led by professionals, to cleanse your gut and reset your digestive system. I often suggest gentle, natural detoxes as part of a sustainable health routine. By combining these habits with the regular inclusion of anti-parasitic foods like papaya, you are setting yourself up for long-term health and protection. So what is the big takeaway? Papaya is more than just a tropical fruit. It's a powerhouse for gut health. Its unique combination of enzymes, fiber, and nutrients not only helps eliminate parasites, but also boosts immunity, digestion, and overall well-being. Now it's your turn. Start incorporating papaya into your diet and share your experience in the comments below. How did it make you feel? Did you notice any changes in your digestion or energy levels? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more natural health remedies from experts like me. Check out our other videos for insights on detoxing, boosting immunity, and living your healthiest life. Until next time, take care of your health. It's the best investment you'll ever make.